Should you get the Sony ZV-1 in 2023? Yes, and here's 5 reasons why. First of all, I love the ZV-1. I've been using it for years, and apparently a lot of you have as well. And even though this camera is a bit older and it's just a compact camera, I use the ZV-1 to make vertical content. In fact, I think it's the best camera to make TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. All right, we're gonna do something fun because I'm gonna make a reel right now with the ZV-1. Oh, there we go. I often like showing top-down shots of gear for my Reels and TikToks, and so we're gonna use this desk. I'm gonna use my little boom arm over here to place the camera to make an overhead setup. Like right now I have my mic, but I'm gonna quickly take that off. I'm gonna put this quick release plate, which is my absolute favorite. This is the Manfrotto RC2. It's just the best toolless quick release plate ever. Like I know there's a lot of Arca Swiss fans out there, but RC2 is better. All right, check this out. First, let's remove my mic, take that off, put my camera in, just like so. Like look how quick that is. Like that is why the RC2 is the best quick release plate system. All right, so I got my camera ready to go, and let's go make a reel. Now we're gonna do a simple reel and make a transition video. And so the plan for me is to shake the A7R5 without a lens on, and during that shaking, the 7200 will appear. So very simple transition. Here's how I'm gonna set it up. I got the ZV-1 right there. Make sure that the top-down shot looks good. All right, here's my shot right there. Hello. Yeah, that looks really clean. Okay, so we're gonna do it backwards, where I'm gonna pretend that the lens is already attached to the camera. And so, gosh, hopefully it'll look good. It looks about right over there, and here we go, and oops, that's one version, let's do another version. 1, 2, 3, drop. Actually, I'm gonna start from the middle, and drop. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off the lens, put it off to the side, kind of replicate that action, and then just cut the two together to make it seem seamless. So we got 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I like that. That was good. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there. This is the tricky part, like holding still and trying to keep it steady. That was good. Then I'm just gonna leave it here for the thumbnail. Very cool. All right, let's see what that reel looks like. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh, that turned out so good. Let's see it again. Oh, nice. Okay, one more. So there you go. Reason number 1 to get the Sony ZV-1 in 2023. To make vertical content. Oh, and on the topic of top-down shots, reason number 2 to get the ZV-1 is that it's a perfect camera to film top-down overhead shots. You already saw what that looked like, but I'm gonna do another demonstration just to show you. Okay, cool. So say that we're doing a demonstration of showing this camera set up towards the camera as a top-down shot. Here it is in all its glory. The autofocusing is so good with the ZV-1. I absolutely love it. It's great. And because it's so lightweight, like you don't have to worry about a heavy camera being over your head when you're doing top-down overhead shots. And I think for that reason alone is worth it to get the ZV-1 in 2023 because it's a perfect overhead camera. Also, I'm not using any picture profiles at all. This is just the standard profile, and the colors coming from the ZV-1 just look so good. What doesn't look good is my cut. You wanna see my cut? Look, zoom in a bit more. I'm not flipping you off. Look at that cut. Look, ripped my skin doing that transition video. Ow. Reason number 3, wow, this desk is messy. Reason number 3 to get the ZV-1 in 2023 is because it's a great web camera where you don't have to use an HDMI cable. It's so cool. All you have to do is just use a simple USB cable, just like so. Plug it in to the ZV-1 and then plug the other end to your computer or your monitor. First, you have to go into the camera settings and turn on USB streaming. Do you see that? I don't know if you see that. Here, let's zoom in. There you go, USB streaming, just make sure you turn that on. All right, and then after that, plug the USB cable to your computer. Here, we're just gonna use this stand really quick just to show you. Ooh, needs to be taller. Let's use a paint can. Yes, I have a paint can, don't ask me why. There we go, resting on a paint can. There you go, I'm just gonna put it right over here in the corner. Oh gosh, that's gonna fall down. I'm gonna plug it into my monitor. Cool, there you go. I'm gonna open up OBS. All right, I got OBS opened up. I'm gonna add video capture device and call it the ZV-1. Hit OK. There it is. And boom, look at that. I am streaming on the camera. That's so cool. And what's great is that it actually charges the camera at the same time, which is nice because if you want to stream for like hours and hours and hours, then yeah, you could totally do that with the ZV-1. Oh, look. Hi. And then reason number 4 why you should get the ZV-1 in 2023 is because this is a great B camera. Like if you already have a main camera like the A7S III, A7R5, or whatever, because the ZV-1 is so compact and small, it shoots 4K video, autofocus is insane. Like those are the recipes that makes for a great B camera. Like you can slip it into your camera bag in addition to all your other camera gear. And so yeah, this is such a great general B camera. Also, the video that I've shot with the ZV-1 has been insanely good. So good for a compact camera. And the last reason why you should get the ZV-1 in 2023 is because it's a great all-in-one package. It shoots 4K videos, shoots 21 megapixel photos, autofocus is insane. There's an ND filter there to stop down your exposure without having to change your aperture values, get that nice bokeh, shoots really nice slow motion video, and of course, the size. Like, look how small this is. Like, you could just put this in your pocket, take it anywhere, really. And if you don't want to bring your big DSLR or mirrorless camera, like, you could bring something like this. So anyway, those are my 5 reasons why you should get the Sony ZV-1 in 2023. Maybe these are 5 reasons to validate you having the ZV-1 if you already have it, or maybe 5 reasons why you might want to consider getting it this year. Such a great camera. Love it.